Looking for a charging cable that keeps up with your busy lifestyle? Imagine powering your device to 50% battery in just about 36 minutes, all while using a cable tough enough to handle everyday wear and tear. That's exactly what you get with these braided USB-C to USB-C fast charge cables, designed for speed, strength, and reliability wherever you go. I've tested these cables myself, and here's what stands out. They're built with double braided nylon, making them incredibly durable. You won't have to worry about fraying or damage after a few uses. In fact, they've been tested to survive over 10,000 bends. That means whether you're charging at home, syncing music in your car, or transferring photos on the go, this cable holds up without fail. Plus, the braided exterior resists yellowing and cleans easily with just a cloth and a little alcohol. It's a small detail, but it keeps the cable looking fresh and new for longer. Beyond durability, these cables are USB certified. That certification guarantees a high-quality experience, so your devices charge safely and efficiently. They support fast charging speeds compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices, from Samsung Galaxy S20 and Note series to Google Pixel phones and even the iPad Pro. You get fast, stable charging and data transfer that keeps pace with your tech demands. One thing to note, the cable's sturdy build means it doesn't bend as easily as softer cables. While this might feel a bit rigid around tight ports, it also means less wear and tear over time. For me, that's a worthwhile trade-off for long-term reliability. If you want a cable that won't fail you after a few months and delivers consistent performance, this is worth a look. If you're tired of replacing flimsy cables or waiting around for your devices to charge, these braided USB-C to USB-C cables offer a smart, dependable solution. They combine fast charging, durable design, and broad compatibility into one solid package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience without compromise.